Good morning everyone, and today we have a super exciting video for you. We are going on the TranzAlpine Railway from Christchurch all the way over to the east coast to Greymouth. This has been something we've been wanting to do for a while, so come along with us and we'll show you the beautiful views. So we've just boarded and it was a fairly easy process. I'll put some clips in now of the checking in area. We got there at 20 minutes before, which was the busiest time, so I say if you wanted to get there a bit early you definitely could. And this is the carriage, and just whilst the people opposite us aren't here, I just thought I'd show you the seats. So they're really spacious, don't they? You can sort of tell, but we've got loads of leg room. We got little headphones on our seats when we got in as well, which you can plug into the middle compartment, and that way I think as we're going they're going to give us a little sort of guided tour of what we're seeing outside of the window. And then we've got some little menus here. There's a full cafe on board which serves alcohol and a big table as well, so it's super comfortable. This makes it feel a bit like a plane, but we're on a train. And I'll just show you the rooms as well. So it's not a fully glass ceiling here, so we've got some really nice wood interior up there, some nice screens at the top, but then we do have an extra bit of light coming in from the top sort of luggage rack area if there's no luggage there, and then big windows and curtains. The other great things about these trains is that they have a really lovely map which allows you to see your journey from east to west or west to east depending on which way you're going. So Tom will show you now, and it's actually just panned into another thing which shows you exactly where the train station is. So it shows you a bigger map where then you have the mountain range. I'll pop that on screen now so you can see, but then they've actually got your whole journey and the commentary, so it's going to begin soon. So we're going to plug our headphones in and we're going to have a listen. Look at the mountains. Stops about 5 times along the way. The first is a station really not too far from where you got on in Christchurch. There you go, you can hear the doors going because we are in Springfield right now. So that is basically the furthest away town that you can drive to before you hit the mountains. So people did say that you can get on here, pay slightly cheaper for your ticket, but obviously what that will mean is that you've got to come back here to collect your car or get a taxi out here, and it's about an hour outside of Christchurch if you're driving. So that's just a little bit of information for you. But one of the other popular things that they offer on, I think it's a lot of the tour guide websites, is to be able to get the train out to Arthur's Pass, which is a really famous place where they do beautiful walks around the mountains. I actually don't know too much about it because we've not been yet, but apparently it's a really lovely place to stop. You can get out there, they take you on a walk, and then they minibus you back. About the train before we get into the beautiful mountainous parts and we get outside of the carriages and that are open air. So for tickets between Christchurch and Greymouth, I can't comment on the other way around, are around $220. We did actually get a little bit of discount with our AA membership, so we decided last week to become AA members, which meant that we got 10% off. They didn't even check that actually, did they? Didn't check that, but we got a little bit of discount. So that is a fair chunk of money. So in UK money we paid equivalent to £110 if we paid 100. So yeah, it is quite an expensive way to see the country, but something that we decided that we really wanted to do and we thought would be worth it, because we've timed it so that we can do a day trip. So we're actually getting a rental car back from Greymouth to Christchurch this evening, and we actually did that just by using transfer car. Car, which is a great website which allows you to pick up cars that rental companies have that want relocating for a really cheap price. So we're only getting it for $1 and we get a free tank of fuel, which means that we're picking it up actually at Greymouth station and we're able to drive straight back or take a little time if we need to. So it means that we can do the whole trip in one day. The whole journey takes about 5 hours, so it is a bit of a mission, so you do get your money's worth though, meaning that you stay on it all the way through. You get 5 hours of commentary as well, and we've just been listening to a bit of this, and this is great. It just allows you to find out a little bit more about the area that you're passing through, and it means then that it almost feels like you're on a little sort of tourist experience, and you can choose to listen to these or not. It's a great way to find out lots about the area and also see a lot in one day as well. That was one of the reasons why we really wanted to do this, just to be able to take it in, because we're also planning on driving this route or a really similar route, obviously back, but also with our van. But we thought this would be a lovely way to relax, put our feet up, have a coffee and just really take in the beautiful scenery that New Zealand has to offer. So as part of the breakfast combo deal, Tom has picked up a cappuccino and a raspberry and white chocolate muffin. So they have these on sweet and savoury muffins. It's $8.50 for both, which I think is really good value, so around £4.25 for breakfast on a train, where normally they hike the prices up, and you said the coffee's really nice as well. So there's just one TranzAlpine train at the moment which leaves between Friday and Monday. There's one which leaves at 8:20 from Christchurch, and then you can return on the same day if you'd like to from Greymouth. So it gets into Greymouth at around 1:20, and then you can return around 2 PM, getting you back into Christchurch at around 6. So unfortunately, if the weather's bad, and it might not be your luck that day, but then they'll always rebook you onto another train if they have to close it for any reason and the conditions get quite bad up in the mountains. So the weather has just turned on us. It's really rainy. You can see this is where we come from, a little bit bluer. That's where we're going. So that is us just off the train at Greymouth. I've been saying it wrong this whole video, but thank you so much for watching this video. We really hope you enjoyed the beautiful scenery. We really did. We think it's such a great thing to do if you want to see the country and you're a bit short on time. This means that you can go straight through the mountains, take in the beauty and not really have to get off the train. But the train does stop a few times as well, so you can sort of see what's around high up in the mountains, and then you can get back on and carry on your journey here. Thank you so much for watching. Like this video if you did, subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll see you in the next video for some more New Zealand adventures. Goodbye!